So in this video I will explain you how to write a blog. So welcome to Feed Factory. So first go on to your Google and look for feedfactory.com. So it will direct you this page. Now click on the first link and you will be redirected to our web page. Okay, so now if you want to write a blog you have to be member. I'm already a member. If not, you have to click here, click on the top and see if I log out I can log in again. So you have to log in as a member, and once you have logged in you can see that members page here. And if you go on to the members page you can see your name among these members, and if you are a writer you will be given this feather tag. Okay, see, can you see the feather tag here? This will be given to you and then you are a writer. So now after getting this feather tag from me, you can go to the blog page. So click on the blog page and you will be redirected to the blogs. Okay, it takes a little bit of time here. Okay, fine. So we are here into the blog page. So these are the blogs already written. So if you are a writer, you will see this create a post option. So now click on create a post and then you will be directed to another page. So this is a page where you're going to write and do all the magic. So here you can see add a catchy title. So it's very important to give a title that people will love to read, okay, or the people will search for. So always think before giving a title. For example, what would someone search for if they're going to buy a washing machine? They would search for the top best washing machines, maybe in a website in Amazon. Okay, got it. So this will be, sorry, best, yeah, washing machines in Amazon. So this is not the exactly a better title, but still let's take it for example. So now let me put Whirlpool first, Whirlpool, and I wanted to, and I can go on and write something. It is the best out there. So sorry. Okay, it's the best out there in the market. Let us say that. So now this Whirlpool and this both look similar, right? So we have to change this as a heading. So what I'm going to do is just, I'm so sorry, I just clicked. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just going to select it and let me select this paragraph, and I can see heading 1 2 3. Usually I used to keep heading 2 as the one for the headings. Okay, and now so this is okay. Let me see, change this also into paragraph. So let me change into heading 5. Okay, you don't see the change much. Heading 3. Okay, so you see the change, right? So okay, this is a font change if you want to do it. Now if I want to make this Whirlpool as a clickable link, I'll again select it and I'll go here and I'll paste URL here, which redirects to me the Amazon page or the Whirlpool listed product page, whatever it is. So you have to paste a link here and give save. So now I don't have a link. So when you have a link, you are going to enter here and paste. This will increase our chances of user clicking this tag and redirecting towards the destination page, right? So again, after doing this, we have to add an image also. This will improve our blog. So let me select this camera here, camera option here. It will take you to these various options like desktop, and you can select an image here. Okay, and I'll open it. Okay, so the image is loading now. So it depends upon the size of the image. This is a little bit bigger size, but you can reduce the size. So you can see the option here, right? Small fit. So when I click that, it became small. And now you can also make this video as a clickable one. So sorry, image as a clickable one. So if you go to this link again and you can paste a link here and click save, that's it. So now after doing that, let us also make some colors. So it will be very attractive when you add some colors. So best out there in the market, I want to highlight it. So I go to colors and give red. So you see these also you can do that. And now after finishing everything, you have to add it towards certain categories. So in our blog there are certain categories. Okay, if you click this post settings over here, it will take you this, and here you have to write it. Okay, is this a cover image? Yes. So this is okay, done. You can go to the categories and you can select it. Suppose if it is under maybe fashion, okay, and then you have to go to the SEO settings. Here you have to give a detailed description about it, and you can also change the way it looks on it looks on Google. So this is a very important thing to do. Otherwise, a blog will not be listed in Google. So this is a must to do thing if you are writing a blog, and then you have to save it. Okay, so that is it. That is it. But I'll discard it here because I don't want to publish this. So this is how you write a blog. And if you have any doubts, you can mail me anytime and I'll clear it out. Thank you.